to my YouTube channel. Top and best skill to learn online today. So technical keep and advancement as purchasing is socialized toward it word it automatic in conversation. Our desk is hum and great our load friend us repeat with today problem red race. We socialize entertainment purchase and nursery to secure have become true for us. Will we on longer face the difficulty of having hut for our great our food? Many how have a better technical explain. Those explain have nothing to do with the compaction of content on the web and everything to do with the creation and marketing of with so much content in what will we longer difficulty have having to hand for our grade of foods. Many now have a better technology compared those experiments have nothing to do commission to content on the web and everything to do with creation. Were difficult to risk the fears. Yes, if you section about succeeding in life, climbing the crop tech ladder or launching that hot new startup, you need some functional skills that are particularly problematic for those we the right skill the world truly in the for those we head for and along the digital tile wave that's speaking the words that can explain to make monitor progress and get ahead. There are dozen or great skill you can learn online to further your create a business product. Some trend to risk about the other and solve problem more top top your list later on not technical so to spec these skill we provide you are with the properly useless forward invisible service online. Number 1 search engine optimization SEO. SEO provide very bracket and foundation for spreading your sales and any industry of nice people are for more like to purchase from if your approval prevent in online search value paying to drive that traffic here clear by 100 and the power of SEO limited traffic to your site and put your selling on optimized SEO is highly complex and conversed but if you master any to the skill you can learn online today it should must clearly best. That's one reality book unlimited guide to link building how a building authorize and creatively for your website and increase click traffic and search ranking by erase words and great fresh. Second number web development is technology improves across the world and more drives bring to contact to the internet the necessity for people and understand web development is going to increase from the internet of things to loads to simple web designing and development learn investment that's powerful online skill can give you advance and the word great web developers are hard to come by. However, if you comment to becoming a web developer, you we got quit the unclaimed, but that also the case in any other not believe failed. Just remember that single skill can give you a temporary advance week. It's come to building and learning in online business. Third number online marketing. That is just about SEO. That's about foundation people that are driving traffic, target medium like social media and ads, learn marketing, better business you can utilize to create that will also help you make money. Online target earning provides income or active income activities. These are lot of multiply content comments and understand but difficult weak work related book successful secret of online marketing by match. Fourth number email marketing is always and will in fact it's one secret ways to make constant amount of money on the internet today. If you master the skill of email marketing, learn how builder active sales financial your will spread your sales in income. That's just about waiting complete sale later. It's also about understanding what type of email get clicked on and led to active interest and purchase. Email marketing skill that be learned online, but it's also something that will require a single full amount of practice you and get it right. Five number graphic design. Today street art improvement part of business and sales not online have factor and you can also have factor on the designing by learn the higher improved scale of graphic design. You can understand functions that make things click back and hum more sell back. Learn graphic design improve marketing program like Photoshop and other people tools that will allow you can create stand visual designing the program or improvement part of the process in trailers about fundamental graphic design skill and will take something single picture but it will be worth it. Sixth number copywriting. Some day words learn professional are also best copyrights if you can write so better reading it can purchase just about anything for the skill of copywriting. Its difficulty on They take time to acquire, but it's also one the best of your could learn use state like and edit and let sign up for online course fee. You can learn the foundation improve their high lective scale. Second number photography. Photography is filled with petty means at